Hi y'all, I look rough because I think I'm getting sick, but my December IPSY box is here. Wow, my hair looks really good. Let's pretend I don't look like the way I do. Here she is. It's actually the 28th of November, so I'm very surprised it's here already because usually they're like first week of the month. Oops, I opened it upside down. Okay, it'll be like the Christmassy ones, so I'm very excited to see what they have. I'm hoping it's just like holiday related, not purely Christmas, but you never know. Oh my gosh, look at that. It feels like you can feel each little thing of glitter. That's crazy. It's not coming off though, which is really and it's all over the place. First one, this is Nina face oil. I noticed they do that in videos. I don't know if it helps you see it or not, but it's just something I do. This is Dr. Brandt. It is an age-defying exfoliator. Gold Faden MD. This is a lip therapy for dry lips and fine lines. That is literally what I need because when it starts to get cold, my eczema acts up and then my lips get real bad from it. So it's just a good help there. Okay, and a little thing wrapped, which I don't know why, but when they wrap them, I think it's the cutest thing. So cute little. Okay, this is What's Up Beauty. This is a eyeshadow duo. Here's the packaging. Oh, look how pretty those are. They definitely is like a weird shade to put together, I feel like, but they're gorgeous separately, like very pretty. We have the box. Gosh, I look so rough. I feel like I usually do, so it's not even like that surprising. I film a lot when I first wake up or when I'm up for like 80 something hours. Not 80, but a good like over 30. So you either get just as I wake up or I've been up for 2 days straight. Whoa. Okay, I'm very excited. I want to know what to go for first. Like, she's filled. Look how cute. Okay, this is the first one that caught my eye, so we're going for it. This is JLo Beauty, that Fresh Take Eye Cream. I love this packaging. Like, literally. Oh, it's gorgeous. That is literally some of the prettiest packaging I've ever seen for an eye cream. Like, usually just a little container. This is Persona, an eyeliner in the shade Brown and Plum, it says in the back. So I don't know if there's 2 of them or if it's double-sided one. There's 2 of them. Okay, let's give you a swatch. This one is Plum. There's Plum. And then there's Brown. It looks a lot darker on camera, but it is more of a brown. Okay, this is Rem Beauty. I'm very excited. This is a Midnight Shadow eyeshadow palette. Oh, the packaging is so cute. Okay. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's so pretty. Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water Clean Mascara. And it's supposed to be like zero smudge and everything like that. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's see what the wand is. Pretty normal. Okay, this is TYS Beauty Final Treat. It's a hyaluronic acid infused setting spray. The packaging today is just getting me. Look how pretty. Aww. They sent me a bag. It's IPSY Creator Incubator. Oh, that's so cute. It's for your water bottles. How sweet is that? And then I think these are socks. It's socks that say IPSY Creator Incubator. Oh, these are so, oh my god, that's so nice. That's so soft. They're so cute. I didn't expect extra goodies. That's so sweet. Thank you so much, IPSY. That was so sweet. This is so nice. Okay, that's the December IPSY box. Again, I'm so sorry, but I just really wanted to open these and see what was going on. So yeah, if you're interested in more IPSY unboxings, I've done them for the past 6 months now. So I have a playlist on my YouTube and my TikTok that you can click on to see all of my unboxings. So yeah, thank you, IPSY. Bye.